Celebrity, I can't beat it. Young brother. Oh yeah, this guy. Oh,
There it is.
did we get that film?
I think we did.
Oh, there's the 7 millis I was looking for. Shane, you got some glasses, bud. It's a little bright in here. I'm sorry. Hello. Jess, I feel like these are yours. Shane's not wearing these. Nah, Shane don't got long hair.
His hair is pretty long.
Dude, we got contraband everywhere. I feel like these aren't your glasses. Thank you.
You think?
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Whew. Yeah, you got some little skibby ribs in there. Skibby ribs, or whatever that is. Uncle D's, this is what you've been breathing in. If only we had some Doc's diesel cabin filters. Dog, that's nasty. That's a naughty little kitten. Let me see that thing. Wow. Guys, just to show you, not a size comparison, but a cleanliness comparison. And this is in plastic. My Lord. This looks like you go to your grandma's house and they have that old furnace filter. It ain't been changed since. Dude, that thing is disgusting. It didn't look that bad in there. Dude. Oh my. Get the fuck on me. I didn't think about that for a minute. As soon as I tilted, I'm like, all right, man. The whole Grand Canyon did not come out of this thing when I had it. Wait. Right. Guys, this is why we change our cabin air filters. If you're a diesel fab guy like this cat over here, and you daily drive your truck and use it what it's actually for, that I don't know, that's probably worse than smoking ciggies, man. That is what your cabin filter looks like. Never fear, we have Flop and Doc's Diesel hooking us up over here. Yeah, you're like, no, I'm good. No, like, I am camera guy. No,
Smokey. She's the best baby in the whole wide world. And it's Scooby. And our pride and joy Tippy. And this is our new guy Squirt. And just the fat goat Dash. They just wanted to say hi. Hi, Smokes. What are we? You the cutest thing ever.